Every sane society allows a certain number of people to deviate. Monks, some sort of outsiders. It says you don't have to join, you don't have to play the game. A society which is insane and unsure of itself cannot allow that to happen. It says everybody must join, everybody must work, everybody must belong. And then freedom disappears.
We'll come back alive. Hopefully.
Because as a matter of fact, the anxiety is if you say, well, you don't have to join. There are conditions under which you can go out. Then a lot of people get together and say, well, what would happen if everybody quit?
Just don't take any taxis or anything, they will make you into big time fraud.
Yeah, you can actually just walk over the border. Don't take any taxis because it's a scam.
Because a lot of people are not ready to quit. That doesn't mean that they're inferior. The acorn is not inferior to the oak tree. So, when a society allows a certain number of people to withdraw, it should have no anxiety that everybody will want to withdraw. Some people are absolutely fascinated in competition, in being involved, in playing the game. But we are witnessing today a great motivation for withdrawal. It's simply because there have to be people who stand outside the game and do not identify themselves with a class, with a name, with an ego, with a persona, with a role. But the important thing to understand, what the sannyasin, the shramana, the man who goes outside the pale, is saying is, please people who are in the pale, my existence reminds you that you're only playing. Don't take it too seriously. Because if you take it too seriously, you're going to start destroying each other and fighting and saying this city against that city, this country against that country, so on. Because you're too involved. The only thing that could be bad is to take it too seriously. But at the same time, it creates anxiety by knowing that in the end you won't succeed. You're all going to fall apart by one way or another. It might happen tomorrow, it might happen 50 years from now. But it all comes apart in the end. And people get worried about that, they get anxious. So what they gained on the roundabout, they lost on the swings. You've got to let go and let it happen. If you see, on the other hand, that existence is musical in nature, that is to say that it is not serious, it is a play.